perro creado para trabajar con el rebaño y tomar decisiones propias en el trabajo. Su instinto natural es cazar, pastorear y estar en constante actividad.
Let go.
Alright, next. Whatever that is. Ah! 水。
はい、もういいよ。もう閉めないよ。
Some cats fear consequences. This one absolutely does not.
Lime really hates this stuff. Oh, I'm so sorry. Come on, you gotta get it. А всего лишь петунии.
Let's go.
That's loyalty in its purest form. Quiet, steady, always present.
Yeah, the Hoover takes out some hair. Wheel Milo.
Service dog on duty, but also on Starbucks patrol.
Looks way too interested in whatever Dad is watching.
Y no podré dormir si está suelto en la casa. No anda suelta en la casa todo el tiempo. Yo duermo perfecto. ¿Y tú qué haces?
That tiny tongue said, "You're mine."
Speak. Speak.
Pop thought it was playtime. Kitty thought it was warning time.
Jump looked like the cat just saw a ghost. The hug, the more obvious the love becomes.
That's loyalty in its purest form. Quiet, steady, always present. When Puppy just
Not even think about it. Do not even think about it.
One second he's sliding, next second he's like, relax, I planned that. They forget we don't have springs in our legs.
Bryce, get back over here.
The gentlest I give up in puppy history.
Missy does my teeth.
What do you mean?
You can almost hear his brain going. Angle good, timing perfect, continue sequence.
Tenemos que devolverlo.
Está loquito porque ella tiene sueño.
Can you put your ears up, buddy? Why is that ear down?
The goodest boy at the grocery store today.
Expensive to buy? Yes. Expensive to own?
This is
Stop it! Stop! Stop it!
Lives in my house.
Laisse-moi bricoler.
Bro, saw your legs uncrossed.
Тёма, ты что там берешь? Тёма!
Herding software.
I'm gonna need a warm blankie and a cup of hot chalky.
I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Here.
Malinois don't feel the cold. They just use it as fuel to run around like crazy.
Oh!
Okay. Good boy.
Not even think about it. Do not even think about it.
Nobody actually wants to fight, but the ego said, we cannot back down now.
Even gymnasts would be impressed by that flip.
Say hi. Okay, let's go. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Come on. All right.
Congratulations, he's unlocked land shark mode. That pant leg is now under arrest.
You kinda did already a little bit there. Oh,
Is it all finished? Oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. I'll swing by in about 20 minutes then. Do you need my name or anything, or a booking or anything, or can I just swing by?
Birdie, look at her. Oh my god, she got him. Stop.
Under all that discipline, there's still a big silly puppy. Thanks.
Lime really hates this stuff. Oh, I'm so sorry. Come on, you gotta get it.
He been born, I want to say he was born that way. Also, he could have been hit by a vehicle. I don't know what happened to him. He had autism or something.
What are you doing? What's the matter? Will you miss me? Okay.
Prefer solid ground, but I trust you.
Bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
Malinois mind. Unknown dog detected inside the magic wall. The drop it command is...
I'm gonna need a warm blankie and a cup of hot chalky.
This doggo doesn't believe in me time, only we time.
Flip definitely did not go according to plan.
Herding software.
Este desgraciado. Madre, iré yo a cuidar entonces.
For your information, Malinois reaction time is basically think later, catch now. A loud alarm system that you can't turn off because it's buried in fur.
Looks way too interested in whatever Dad is watching.
Bro. Bro. No way. Isaac, they left you out.
Oh, no, 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 no. Huh?
No.
Oh.
No.
Bro really said, if I'm going down, Mr. Teddy's coming with me.
What are you doing? What's the matter? Will you miss me? Okay.
Este desgraciado. Madre, iré yo a cuidar entonces.
Sleeping, this cat somehow stays dramatic.
Action scenes provided. Malinois don't argue. They just clear obstacles and move on. If you own a Malinois, nothing you ever do is a solo activity again.
Jeez. This up. What happened to your eyes? Where are your eyes?
For your information, Malinois reaction time is basically think later, catch now.
He been born, I want to say he was born that way. Also, he could have been hit by a vehicle. I don't know what happened to him. He had autism or something.
If you ever wondered if 4 dogs could get their head out the window at once.
If it moves, he'll jump on it. If it spins, he'll love it. If it's dangerous...
Good boy.
Winston, did you chew on these?
Adopting a Malinois means unlimited affection, full loyalty, and surprise body checks. Normally a 4-legged bodyguard. The second thunder hits. inspection.
That's quiet. Speak.
Malinois mind. Unknown dog detected inside the magic wall.